Hi YouTube, this is Anthony, and this is Cooking with Anthony. I'm going to show you how to make a great dinner. Yeah, even though it's like 4 something in the evening. But anyway, I'm getting started on my dinner, and it's going to be great. Anyway, I'm fixing chicken, mashed potato. I mean, not mashed potatoes, but potato salad and cornbread. Anyway, here we go. I already got my eggs boiling. I'm getting ready to put my potatoes on so they can boil. I got my grease heating up so I can do my chicken. And got half my chicken battered already. But anyway, here we go. Okay. Let that do what it's doing, and putting some chicken in so it can do its thing. Hopefully I don't burn myself. I'm sorry that it's so far off, but that's the only way I could do this because I'm using my cell phone, so sorry about that, YouTube, but or people, whatever you want to say. Oh, gosh. Here, have some chicken, battery. Unless I'll be like Mrs. Phil. Oh, today I'm cooking chicken, mashed potatoes, and cornbread. I'm more like back east. So. And I'm putting the chicken in the pan. Oh, and what big chicken it is.